Hi, I'm Dr. Kenneth Levine. Welcome back to Health Talk, seen on WYW19.com and UVerse Channel 19. I'm here with Dr. Steven Bromberg. Steven, before I forget, can you tell our viewers where they can find you?
Absolutely. We are on, the address is 11555 West Sample Road in Coral Springs, on the corner of Coral Ridge and Sample Road.
Okay.
The facility has been there for 7 years. It's a 12,000 square foot facility, half a medical hospital and half the indoor dog park that we talked about earlier.
Phone number, website?
954-341-4123. Website keeps changing, to be quite honest with you, so I would call the number or just Google Coral Springs Pet Resort and Medical Center.
Websites need a constant updating all the time.
Yes, they do.
They try not to change the address too much. You know, a lot of people are concerned with emergencies for their pets. How are emergencies handled at your practice?
Our facility has 3 full-time veterinarians, 2 of which are constantly there, so the other person has a day off. The facility is open 7 days a week. However, we do not take our own calls. There is a all-night facility a mile down the street, so the emergencies are referred there.
Now, you have something special you want to talk about. You want to present that to our viewers?
Yes. This time of year is Relay for Life, which is a cancer run sponsored. All the chambers seem to sponsor this, and we're doing our part by having a Bark for Life event April 7th on a Sunday. We have a great relationship with the Florida Panthers. Their practice rink is a mile down the street from our facility, and they have donated signed jerseys, signed hockey sticks, rides on the Zamboni for the kids, and tickets are available at the facility for a drawing that will be done that day. They're also for your pets that want to come and spend time at the dog park for a donation. The dog will get to run around free and play, and you'll get to buy raffle prizes and make a donation to the Bark for Life as part of Relay for Life.
That's nice. No, April is Oral Cancer Awareness Month. We're going to be doing a special on oral cancer diagnosis in our practice. You know, we made a decision years ago, I don't know when your parents were here, but probably after that, that we're going to do complimentary exams, consults, and radiographs. For us, we feel that if patients can come in and find out, everybody should have a right to know what's going on in their mouths. You know, as you talked about, the mouth is the gateway to the body. We know that there are relationships between oral health or disease and heart disease, stroke, diabetes, low birth weight babies, pancreatic cancer in men, and many forms of Alzheimer's disease. So we want people to come in, and in April we have a special for oral cancer. And we do good things that way. You know,
Absolutely.
People get to learn what's going on now. If somebody in your practice, you call your patients, you call them clients, or what do you call them?
I deal with the patients. They're owned by my clients.
Okay, good. They have a large procedure. They need to spend a significant amount of money. Is there financing available?
There's companies that have medical credit, care credit, charge card. We work with people the best we can.
Yeah. Is there insurance for pets?
It's a very interesting subject. Yes, there is insurance for pets. However, many of the companies have gone by the wayside. We recommend and support a couple of the companies that I feel comfortable have enough financial backing. So yes, there is pet insurance available, but like all insurance, it must be done prior to diagnosing a problem.
Sure. We talked about financing. In our practice, we have financing up to 7 years. We work with 3 or 4 different companies. So ideal care in our practice, for myself, or when we work with restorative dentists, is almost affordable to everyone, or say affordable to almost everyone. And it makes life easier that way for all of us. You know, is there a take-home message you want our viewers to hear from you while you're on the air?
The only take-home message would be, the most important message would be, again, akin to what you just said, and that is you have to bring your pet in for a good physical exam in order to find out if in fact there are medical issues there, as well as anything you can do to keep your pet healthy, to have a long, good relationship, because the joy of having a pet is
wonderful.
Speaks for itself.
Is there a certain age at which your pet should be brought in?
There's no limit on either end of the spectrum. We see animals 1 day old up to 20 years old.
Well, you know, when I get to talk to veterinarians, it's a joy because it brings Jesse back into my life. And I want to thank you. It's a pleasure to see you. And
Pleasure to
I'll
be
come
here.
visit the park.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
You're
It's
welcome.
Dr. Kenny Levine with Health Talk. We'll see you again next week. Thank you.